Hello, at Rejuvenated, we love to show you ways that you can improve your health, and I absolutely love salad, but not the salad maybe that you get in a pub. The salads that we make here are full of all different ingredients, and the one that I want to share with you is the Rejuvenated salad. We all talk about eating the colours of the rainbow, and we try to include everything that we possibly could in it. For you really deep purple hues, we went for red cabbage because it's so full of flavonoids, lots of nutrition in there. And then the leaves, most of the leaves we picked from the garden earlier on. There's things like Swiss chard. We've got watercress in here. I've grown watercress before. At the moment we have landcress in the garden, but they're both really easy to grow. Spinach and sort of lettuce leaves. There's so many beautiful colours in lettuce and so on. So easy, just tipping your leaves to start off with, that's the base. Put in your red cabbage. I don't put too much red cabbage in because it's quite a pungent taste, but it's really lovely to get that nutrition. Then on this plate we've got sort of the base. I've got a mixture of peppers, carrot, tomatoes and onions. Anything you find in the fridge, but you can see the colours, there's so much vibrancy there. So if we tip those in, maybe give it a little bit of a mix up at this point. And then my favourite in any salad is always avocado. I love avocado, can't get enough of it. For me, that's the best bit in a salad, when I get a little bit of avocado, it's my absolute favourite. And then for toppings, the olives, lots of healthy fats again, different coloured olives, walnuts, brain food, you can put any nuts on top of there, sliced almonds, absolutely anything, and a little bit of pumpkin seed, any seeds, but I think our favourite is pumpkin seeds. And then to top it all off, sprouted shoots. They're so full of nutrition. When a seed's actually sprouting, that's the maximum nutrition that you'll get from a plant. And if we just stir it up, that is the Rejuvenated salad, all ready to go. I hope you try it and I hope you love it.